Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be opening the Mini Brands Mini Fill the Fridge and one of the balls. My Walmart finally got these. I have been waiting forever to get one of these. So, unfortunately it's not the Target because I don't have a Target near me, but that's okay. I still got one. So let's open her up. And then I can finally store all my minis in here. Oops. Starting off bad here. Come on, please work. Oh my goodness. These things either work or don't work. One way or the other. Oh my goodness. Come on. What a pain. Okay, can you just tear normal? Oh my goodness. This is so frustrating. Can you just tear? Oh my gosh. We almost got there. Okay. There's one layer. Or kind of. Sorry for the loud noise. Get all this put away into a trash bag over here. Okay, let's try this one more time. Where's the little tear strip? Really? Down here. Well, at least this one's bigger, so maybe. Oh my gosh. Of course not. There we go. Well, at least this one only goes around the bottom. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna take it back here. Oh, finally. All that work. 2 layers of plastic. Okay. Alright, we have the fridge. Tilt just a little bit. Alright, inside, of course, we have our bag of shells, and I think this one only comes with a Create, maybe? I don't remember. Oh my gosh. Nothing is working out for me today. Get out of there. We have a, oops, a little drawer here. Alright. Let's see what this one comes with. Well, I guess you get a mini. You get the Olipop Strawberry Vanilla. The the watermelon magnet, and the little ice scoop. Okay. And this is our Create, I'm pretty sure. Get my shelves out next. Okay. Alright, the easy part. Alright, so we have our first shelf, and this first shelf has a little square. That's where you're supposed to set your mini to dry. Let me get that. Oops. I got it upside down. There we go. And then, of course, our other shelves. 1 and 2. And then our shelves for the door just snap right into place. Oh, let's see. Let me put my egg one up top. There. Is that right? It's a little far from the door. I'm not doing this backwards. I could look at instructions, but yep, I am doing it backwards. Okay. So then the next shelf and our final shelf. Super cute. And of course in the bottom you have your drawers everything down there. Go ahead and stick that in there, and I'll put that up in a minute. And then in here we get our Create Mini, which is the little orange slices, your resin, and your tongs. And oh wait, I have this one. Got that one, so we'll just slide you up there. I will say, and obviously if you don't know, this of course has a light, and there's a switch on the back where you can turn it on for the UV, which I doubt I will really ever utilize because it takes so long to set, and I'm not really interested in that taking so long. My dark beam light is way more efficient and quick. I may sometimes, I don't know. But I do love that we get this little mold. I'll go ahead and do this real quick. And here is our plate and our 3 little orange slices. And basically all it wants us to do is open our resin. I will cure this one in here just for sake of doing so. I'm not going to put the tip on. Fill this up. I'll fill it up part of the way. It's a really thick resin. I'm going to place my little orange slices in there. Oops. Yeah, that ain't going to work. 1, 2, 3. Let me get my toothpick. And I just want to press them down in there some. Okay. Now we'll finish topping this off. And let that level out. Almost a little bit more. Pretty much takes everything that's in there, I can tell. Okay. I'm going to put this little piece back on. Put the cap back on. There is something still left in there. I want to make sure there's no air bubbles. I don't really see any in this one. Okay. You know what? I can't do it. I'm going to use my light. I'm sorry, guys. I don't really want to sit 10-20 minutes waiting on this. Alright, let me cure this up really quick. So cute. It's a very cute little mini. I'm going to set this on here to be curing, and we will open this other ball while that sets. I can get that to set like I want it to. Alright, let me open this one. And where's it at? See that? It's so nice and easy. Alright. Let's see what we get in here. This is our magnet. Cute. I'll get all my other ones out here shortly. Another kombucha. I have 500 of these. Oh, I got that chicken. Nice. That was the other one that I wanted. The only other ones that I want now are the little, to go, what are they from? I forget now. Juice. Where are they? Mine is not thinking. The IHOP meals, those two. Don't have either of those. Then I'll have everything that I wanted. Pretty much have them all. Pretzel dogs. I have more eggs and ice. I don't know what to do with. People complain they can't find it. Bacon. And the last one is deli turkey. Now, let me throw these bags away. Where is my little checklist? Here it is. Let's see. Let me mark off the ones that I just got. Where's my pen? Alright, let's see here. I have that one. And that. See, I got the chicken. I finally got my Baskin Robbins cake too the other day. I was so excited. Let's see, the nacho dogs, pretzel dogs. I didn't have that one. And that, I didn't have that bacon, so I got both the bacons now. And I can't tell, I think that one's ham. All the rest I have. Okay, there's only a couple that I'm missing now, so hopefully I can find them and be done with this whole set. Okay, I think we are nice and set. I love this little mold. Use it for so much stuff. Oh, that is so adorable. Place it on our little plate and cover it up. Our little Jello mold. Very, very cute. Alright, let me get all of my minis out. Ooh, I'm going to pause this and I'll be right back once I get everything out. Alright, I think I've gotten everything out here. I've got a huge mess, so let's see if we can store all this stuff in here. I've got a box full of duplicates. I'm trying to keep, some I'm keeping more than one of them, but for the most part, like these pizzas, I'm just going to keep one. There's no sense in keeping two. Put you up there. Alright. I have to keep all of my waters because I am obsessed with them. I love them. And who has just one bottle of water? Not me. Alright, let's see. I have another one somewhere. Oops, just dropped something. Let me see. Oh, give me that. Give me that. Thank you. Crawl back a little bit. I think, let's see, I have, gosh, my ramenade, which is one of my favorite drinks. I will keep all of those because they are too adorable. Let's see. Oh, there's another bottle of water. I don't think they're all going to fit. Stand up, please. Get over there. Just squeeze them in as best I can. Okay, where is, let's see here. Got such a mess going on. My Olipop. Things are not wanting to stand like I want them to. Alright. I have another water. That'll fit. Okay, I have some juice. Oh no, you won't fit in there, will you? Okay, we'll come back to you. We'll keep a cup of juice. Or a cup of milk, I'll say. I think I've got, golly, so many milks. Alright, a turmeric shot. Will that fit up here? No. Let's see. A little juice. We'll find a home for you. Let's see, a mayonnaise. Let's see, Olipop can go up one. I love the little door shelves, but it's like, are they best? I'll probably put some like museum putty so things won't fall as bad. But I haven't got that far. Okay, so I have another mayonnaise. I don't need that. I have another Italian. I don't need that. The Italian. My soy sauce. I know you'll fit up there. Those are adorable. I am keeping both of those. I do sell all of my extras on Mercari. Okay, let's see. A little hot sauce. Now I could have swore. Yep, I do have a mini Olipop. Put you up there. And a mini of the strawberry syrup. You won't fit. I know that one's not the mini, is it? Nope, it's regular. And there's another strawberry. I don't need that. Don't need that. The kombucha is adorable. And the oats, I'll be keeping my extras of those. See, you put them in there and then they just fall over. Alright, I'm going to finish filling this because apparently this is going to be a pain in my butt. And I'll come back and show you when it's all filled. Alright, so I've got all them filled up. Oh, I'm going to grab my little, don't forget to grab my little magnets. So let's see, we've got this one. Tried to only keep one of each. Stuff them in here. Yeah, very cute though. Shopping list. Oh, second one. That's the second one. Cheese board. Kettle. And yes, ABC. There we go. I think these are just duplicates. Got a pile over here of duplicate stuff, so put these back out of here. Put all these up. Alright, now, so down here, of course, I just stuffed everything in there. I did use my Miniverse ice. Just left my mini ice in there. All the freezer stuff. And filled it up as best I could in here. I think I got everything. Yep. So I didn't take the eggs out either. I just left them in their little cartons. So super cute. Like I say, I only need a couple things to have everything. So hopefully I can find what couple things I still need to get. I'll be done with this series. I'm going to take one of those out. I have so many. Alright guys. Well, that's it for today. I hope you all have a great rest of your day. Wonderful Thanksgiving tomorrow. And I will see you on the next one. Bye guys.